So it looks like the rumors were true all along. Sia and Sino are officially a couple, and this time they are not hiding it anymore. For a while, fans had their suspicions. People noticed the little things, the way Sia and Sino would appear in the same places, the subtle interactions, and those just friends vibes that didn't quite convince everyone. At the beginning of their relationship, the two clearly tried to keep things low key. No public confirmations, no obvious posts together, just quiet moments and speculation from fans who were paying close attention. And honestly, it's not unusual. A lot of people, especially in the public eye, prefer to protect something new while it's still fresh. Keeping a relationship private at the start can help avoid pressure, opinions, and unnecessary drama. But now things have definitely changed. Sia and Sino are no longer hiding. In fact, they seem more comfortable than ever being seen together in public. Recently, the two were spotted out at a club, and let's just say they were not shy at all. They were seen enjoying each other's company, having a great time, and yes, they were even kissing. That moment pretty much confirmed everything fans had been wondering about. And of course, social media had a lot to say. Some fans are obviously here for it. One fan even commented that Sia and Sino look good together, and honestly, a lot of people seem to agree with that. There's definitely a group of supporters who are happy to see them finally being open and enjoying their relationship. But not everyone is fully convinced. Another fan raised some concerns, saying that Sino has a reputation of being a player and that he loves girls. That comment has sparked a bit of debate, with some people wondering whether this relationship will actually last. And to be fair, those concerns don't come out of nowhere. Public perception can be hard to shake. But at the same time, people grow, people change, and every relationship is different. What really stands out right now is how happy Sia seems. And at the end of the day, that's what matters the most. Whether this relationship lasts long term or not, it's clear that Sia and Sino are enjoying their time together and are no longer afraid to show it. From keeping things private to now openly expressing their affection in public, this is definitely a big shift, and fans are watching closely to see what happens next. For now, all we can say is they look good together, the chemistry is there, and hopefully things work out for them. But what do you think? Are you rooting for Sia and Sino, or do you agree with the fans who are a bit skeptical? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates.